We will quickly deliver the news about the Middle East war through the Lost Cloud Sensor Studio. In Iraq, 2 oil tankers carrying Iraqi crude oil were attacked by Iranian forces and caught fire. Iraqi authorities said 25 crew members from the ships evacuated, but at least 1 reportedly died. This is the moment when a drone attacked a Basiji checkpoint in Tehran, Iran. This is Tel Aviv, Israel. The footage was taken near a high-rise building in the center of Tel Aviv. The Israeli military is intercepting incoming missiles. This is the scene of the Iron Dome being launched in Israel. Currently, Iran and Hezbollah are jointly attacking Israel. This footage shows Israel's air defense system intercepting Iran's missile launches, and it has been confirmed that 1 missile hit over northern Israel. This is Lebanon. Due to Israeli airstrikes, the Lebanese fire brigade is putting out fires. The Israeli military is conducting concentrated airstrikes on Lebanon. There was a drone attack by Iranian forces near the Divan Hotel in Erbil, Iraq. Close-up footage taken at Erbil Airport shows smoke rising near the airport. Is this Kuwait? Infrared satellite images of Ali Al Salem Air Base in Kuwait confirm multiple craters and damage from recent missile and drone attacks. Currently, Iran is focusing its attacks on the UAE. From February 28th to March 11th, Iran has carried out a total of 3,916 attacks. The UAE was targeted 1,728 times, or 44.1%, the highest among them. Kuwait was attacked 942 times, accounting for 24%. Israel was attacked 555 times, which is 14%. Bahrain was attacked 358 times, or 9.1%. Saudi Arabia was attacked 176 times, making up 4.5%. Qatar was attacked 142 times, or 3.6%. Oman was attacked 20 times, which is 0.5%. This is a tanker that was attacked by Iranian forces in Iraq, and it is burning heavily. This is the UAE. It is reported that a high-rise building in Dubai Creek Harbor was damaged by an Iranian attack. U.S. Central Command released new footage of shooting down an Iranian aircraft. Thai sailors were rescued by the Omani Navy as a Thai vessel burns after the attack. President Trump announced that they have succeeded in removing all Iranian vessels that could potentially lay mines in the Strait of Hormuz, and stated that it is safe to use the Strait of Hormuz. President Trump said he wants to end issues with Iran and believes Gulf countries should see current incidents as temporary disruptions to long-term peace. A United States report states that Iran's new supreme leader, Mujtaba Khamenei, reportedly suffered minor injuries at the start of the war, such as a fractured foot, facial abrasions, and bruising around the eyes. Iran has stated that if the United States continues to attack ports, they will also attack all ports and oil facilities in the Gulf region. Iran also said that in order to end the war, compensation must be paid and security guarantees for Iran must be provided in the future. Reuters reports that an Israeli military spokesperson said this evening that they are ready to continue the war with Iran as long as needed. Several Israeli officials, including Israel Katz, have expressed this position. Minister Katz said this morning that the war will continue without a time limit. Lebanon stated that if the United States helps with the disarmament of Hezbollah within Lebanon, the process could proceed more quickly. Saudi Arabia has activated a logistics route that connects the Red Sea to the Gulf countries. The UN Security Council passed a resolution condemning Iran for attacking civilian sites in Gulf countries and Jordan, causing casualties and damage. If there are future updates, I'll make and upload a video. Thanks for watching.